This is Marcel. Welcome to Mentor Mondays, where I'm going to inspire you, I'm going to motivate you, I'm going to educate you, and I'm going to plant seeds in you to help you become a successful real estate investor. I remember growing up in Northwest Baltimore, my mom had a vision, and it was very intentional. She said when she hits the lottery, she is going to purchase this commercial strip about a block and a half away from our home that was run down. It was a drug strip. She wanted to put apartments on the second floor. She wanted to lease out the first floor. She wanted an ice cream parlor for herself. She was going to retire with that business, and she was going to lease out the other commercial spaces. That didn't happen. She passed in 93. What she did not realize, though, and I'm so blessed, is that she was planting seeds in me about real estate, about investing in real estate. And those seeds grew into something. And I've been a full-time real estate investor since 2006, and I'm so blessed that she planted those seeds in me that I'm going to start sharing with you.